Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A51. This is how the box looks like. Let's open up the box. This is the mobile. On the mobile we have the Infinity O display, quad camera and a fingerprint scanner on the screen. This is the Crush Prism Black version, and the back has a nice gradient colors to it. It is a plastic, which is a little bit unfortunate, but also really good for the price that the phone is trading at. The camera is shaped in a L version, where we have the main camera at 48 MP, the ultra wide camera at 12 MP, the macro camera at 5 MP, and also a 5 MP depth camera. The gadgets that we get along with the phone is a USB charging cable, earphones, and a adaptive fast charger as well. This comes with the Samsung pen, some pen, as well as a clear plastic cover to save your charge your phone with. At the bottom of the screen we have the headphone jack, the charging cable, and also the speaker, and also the Samsung have installed a safeguard protector with the phone. The camera at the top is a 32 MP camera. At one side we have all the buttons, which is the volume and the power switch. On the other side we have the SIM card slot, which is dual SIMs, as well as an extra memory card slot. The built-in memory storage is 128 GB. Our startup wallpaper has a really nice 3D going on. Our screen is 6.5 inch, 1080 times 1080 times 24,000 pixels wide. On the phone we have the 10 UI version. The mobile is currently being traded at 6,000 rands, which is quite good for such a good mobile and camera. Thank you very much for watching my video on the unboxing of the Samsung A51. I hope you liked it.